Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the pastry and mapping the gold garden at the same time. You combine cold butter and 2 cups flour quickly, then add 3-4 tablespoon ice water until dough holds. While the crust chills 30-60 minutes in the fridge, measure and mark a sunny 4x4 foot bed outside. Prepare soil with 2 and compost. Once done, set fruit to macerate with sugar and lemon, and lay out the planting rows so both projects move forward together. Now focus on filling the pie and preparing the soil in parallel. You simmer fruit with 1/2 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon cornstarch until glossy and thick. Taste and adjust acidity with lemon. Meanwhile, loosen garden soil to about 12 inches and mix roughly half native soil and half compost plus a slow-release fertilizer. This balances drainage and nutrients. Once done, plant gold-themed choices like marigold and yellow nasturtium in rows spaced as recommended, and let the pie filling cool slightly before assembling. Finish by assembling and baking the pie while putting garden care routines in place. You fill the chilled crust, add the cooled filling, top and seal, brush with egg wash and bake 35-45 minutes until the center reaches about 200 degrees F. Meanwhile, water the garden 1 to 2 inches weekly, add a 2-inch mulch layer, and deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers. If the crust sogs, vent the pie and increase bake time. If plants wilt, improve drainage or provide temporary afternoon shade and check soil moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.